What's up, everybody? It's DZ here. We're going to do a quick unboxing and review of the Hubsan X4 Desire, aka the H502s. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do the review on this because I have already flown one of these. I'm just going to do a quick first look unboxing for you guys. Let's get it going on. Alright, you open the box, and this is important. Please attach propellers to the right corresponding area, A to A, B to B. There is actually a little gap on here where you have to put them on a certain way or they won't go on. And then you put a screw in the top. Now, there also is a little O-ring on this. Sometimes they get a little loose, so make sure you don't lose the little O-ring. Here's the quad. The O-ring is right underneath here. It's actually a bearing. It looks like this is a different model. No, it's not a different model. They've changed something up on this. It looks like they actually put an actual real bearing in there instead of the ceramic ring. But still, just be careful because you don't know if that little bearing is going to fall out or not. I usually always, if I don't have the props on, I will leave these on there. This is a brushed quad. I don't know why that they haven't made it brushless yet. Comes with the battery inside, of course. The battery is inside. It comes with one 7.4 volt, 15 cell, 4.5 watt hour, 610 milliamp watt hour LiPo battery with a standard JST plug with a 2S balance charge. Alright, let's see what we got in here. We have an empty box. I think this box is just for purposes of keeping the bird stable in there. I don't think it was intended to have anything in it, because when you put it all back together, this box will fit right in there like that. And I think that was just to keep it in place is all that box is for. Empty box, because the battery itself wouldn't even fit in there if you wanted it to. I mean, it's pretty close, but it's not going to fit. Alright, nothing here, nothing here. And now to the controller. This is the same controller that controls the H501s, H502s. This controls the H111D. There's quite a few drones that this will control. The H501A, the H501C, the H501W. It will control all of those. You just have to bind it. Something felt a little weird there, but I guess it's okay. No biggie. But let's see if they send us a battery with this one. Booyah! 1300 milliamp hour, 7.4 volt, 2 cell battery for the remote, which is a good thing, because I've heard people say they didn't get their batteries, but these do come with batteries. I don't understand. That one feels a little bit tight. I mean, it's going back to where it's supposed to be. That battery's not plugged in, so it's not going to turn on. I'm going to have to check that out in a minute and make sure all my telemetry is good on that and everything. Alright, we have a side box here. What do we got in here? This is the sunshade. Everybody knows what the sunshade is, so I'm not going to open that up. That goes to the controller. Spare part box. What do we got in here? prop guards. No sense in going all the way into that, because everybody knows what prop guards are, but I will show you. These go on before you put the props on. If you're going to use prop guards, these go on before you put the props on, okay? They go right over the top of this like that. They snap in, and you put it, they come with a bag of screws. Screw goes right in there. But I won't be using these. That's how you put those on. Everybody knows the world is full of stupid people. Oh, I'm sorry. I was getting in the wrong tangent there. Anyway, there's what's in that box. I don't think that there's anything else in there. I think just these prop guards is what came in there. And that's that. Let's see if I can get them back in the box. That's going to be the fun part. Alright, got them back in the box. Thank you, Lord, for making it easy to get those back in the box. The 502E is impossible almost to get the freaking prop guards back in there. I can't stand the way they built that box. Spare part pack number 2. We have battery charger, prop screws and prop guard screws, and 2 sets of beautiful white props. That's all for spare part box number 2. I will go ahead and put all this stuff back in there. I definitely don't want to lose those screws, because then you'd be screwed. Do not lose these screws. Make sure you get everything back in these boxes. If you're not going to use it right away or put the props on it right away, do not lose those screws. Of course, it comes with the handy dandy disclaimer and your handy dandy X4 Desire H502s instruction manual. Everything's in here that you need, so you guys can get it together and get it in the air. Now, I've already flown one of these. This is a really, really, really good bird for a beginner. Anybody really. It's not just for a beginner. Now, when you're going to run this drone, now you can mod this controller. You can mod this controller just like you can for the 501s controller. You drill a hole here, put your patch antenna here for the FPV, and then you put in your 2.4 gigahertz antenna on this side. Now, when you flip it over, you always got to remember it'll be opposite. So your connection will be right in here. It's only 4 screws. Back comes off. Your connection will be right here. You just pop it off. You use like a toothpick or something and pop it off. Don't get rough with it and crazy, because you'll break it. Just pop it off. Put the new one on. Drill the hole. Put it here. Screw it on and put your antenna on. But this side, see, it's this side for FPV, but it will be the right side for FPV. So your square antenna will go on this side, and your regular antenna will go on this side. But it will be opposite. Regular antenna this side, FPV patch antenna on this side. Just so you know. GPS mode engaged is up. Altitude mode with no GPS is down. Camera button here. Record video button here. People on other channels try to say you can use this SD card slot. This SD card slot is not accessible for anything except for upgrading the controller firmware. Do not listen to what other people say when they say you can access this for camera, pictures, and blah, 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 blah. Return to home, flip it up. I will show you where the SD card does go. Right here. The SD card goes here. Not here. Here. Only one SD card is required. SD card on the controller is only for updating the controller. Just make sure you guys know that, because a lot of people aren't too smart. I don't understand why anybody that has another Anybody who has another group, or, oh crap, I forgot which way this goes. Anybody who's got another group or another YouTube channel, why would they would tell you that you use that? Because they don't know what they're talking about. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put this back together, you guys. Get you one of these. There was a great deal on them not too long ago. It's over, but I'm sure there will be another one real soon. Grab you one of these if there is another. If there's another sale, keep your eyes open. Come check out my YouTube. My Facebook page. I post deals on there all the time, and I mean all the time. And you never know, you might find a deal. All the links will be below. Sorry guys, I'm kind of out of it today, but all the links are below. I'm going to do a couple more unboxing videos. You can see them over there in the background. But you guys, peace out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's time for me to go to sleep. Anyway, you guys be good. Like and subscribe down below. All the links are down below to my Facebook page, to my deals page. I'll put a place where you can buy one of these all down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.